What is SIN? SIN, or Social Insurance Number, is a group of 9 numbers that is a form of identification that every individual residing and or working in Canada must have to be able to get paid when they work, to have access to government services and benefits, and to file income taxes. There is no handling fee for applying for an SIN number. The documents required for the application are your original passport, your work permit issued upon entry, your phone number in Canada, and the proof of your Canadian address. There are 3 ways to submit your application. 1 is in person, 2 is by post, and 3rd is online. Applying in person. Due to the pandemic, the federal government of Canada recommends students to fill out the appointment form found on their website at eservices.canada.ca. They will call you at the number you entered within a few days to book an appointment. You will then receive an email confirmation of your booking. On the day of your appointment, you must bring your original documents and arrive 10 to 15 minutes early. Your SIN number will be issued to you on the same day. Applying online. Number 1. Scan the required documents. Number 2. Go to sin-nas.canada.ca/en/sin, fill out the form, and upload the documents required. After completing the application, they will send the SIN by post to the address you have provided as your residence in Canada. If you need to send it to another address, you will need to apply by mail. Mail application. Number 1. Please check the required documents on the official website before mailing. Number 2. Mail all original documents as copies will not be accepted. You must send it to the following address: Service Canada, Social Insurance Registration Office, P.O. Box 7000, Bathurst, NB, E2A 4T1, Canada. After the application has been completed, they will send you your SIN to your designated address. If you choose to apply online or by post, you will receive an email with your SIN within 20 working days. Online applications will now be received in about a month. If you have not received your SIN email within 25 working days, you must contact the SIN program through the hotlines on the screen. An important reminder about your SIN. Your SIN is a private information and cannot be shared with strangers casually. Be cautious about scam calls asking for your SIN. Bear in mind that Service Canada will not ask for your SIN number over the phone.